Ooh, that's a damn good cup of coffee. Alright, so let's see. Let's crank this baby open. Today, using this one. So let's have a look together. Oh. So bought this on eBay. So let's see. This a little scary. How will it look? So here is the wolf body. There is the mark of chaos. I guess you can use it. You have cultists in the Empire, so you can use it as a proxy for some kind of chaos guy, or beasts, or even vampire. Then you can just scrape off this. Be careful, it's resin. It's a blend of plastic and some kind of chemical compound, so it could harm your lungs beyond repair. It can be glass in it and so on. I don't know what it's mixture of. So the body looks okay. A little more lines needs cleaning up. The arm to the poor guy is dragging along. Alright, you have seen this before maybe, if you are Warhammer fanatic as I am. The head of the wolf. With both teeth. Look at that. The other arm. The scenic base. Oh, that's cool. I think I may instant mold it for more uses. The other foot. The arm. It's all breaking from where it's supposed to stay. Oh no. Oh no. 3 fingers are broken. Oh no. This will be difficult to do something about. There we go, eBay. So thanks for watching, and more will come. Thank you for watching. Bye now.